I'm going to harvest this celery now. As you can see, I have this cover, this cardboard wrapped around it. It's an old almond beverage container, and I actually want this to regrow. So I'm going to just cut at the base without disturbing the roots. So I'm using a knife. I'll try to get as low as possible. Just slice straight across. So I've left the root there, and hopefully this will grow and come again. So this is the celery. Now let's just slide this off. And there you go. This is what the stalks look like. It's nice and blanched. And we'll have a nice mild celery flavor.